Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this curly clip-in hairstyle, and I'm going to be using clip-ins from CurlsQueen. So thank you, CurlsQueen, for sending out this hair for me. So starting off with unboxing the hair, this is what the box looks like and how it comes. It comes in this cute box with little bows on the side. When you open it up, it has a couple items in this bag, and this is a nice little reusable bag too. So it comes with a brush. I'm going to be using this during the video too, so you can kind of see what it does. Comes with a bonnet. I was really excited about the bonnet because I need a new one. Then it comes with these clips. This is for if any of the clips come off, you can sew them back on. And then it has like this little like pamphlet, kind of talks about the contact information and stuff like that on here, and instructions of how to wash it. And then this is what the curl or the clip-ins look like. They come in that pink bag, and this is what it looks like when you take them out. This hair is in that water Jerry curly. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the like weft. So it comes, I'm gonna actually put it up on the screen here in a minute, like how many pieces you get. But this one is in a 24-inch, so it's pretty long. It comes with 10 pieces total, and this is more of that 3C 4A kind of texture. That's what it looks like. That's the texture of the hair. And then I went ahead and sprayed it with some water. I put a little conditioner on it, and I wanted to comb it out and like see how long it stretched out to. You can wash the hair, straighten the hair, blow dry it, whatever you want to do. I plan on keeping it curly, so this is how long and how far it stretched out. You can also wash and condition the hair as well. I would especially do that if you plan on wearing your hair out along with the clip-ins. Like if you're just using the clip-ins to add volume to your hair, I would wash the clip-ins and your hair as well so that it blends a lot better. This is kind of what it looked like when I got done playing with it. Now I'm going to go ahead and start prepping my hair. So this part was actually filmed on a different day, but I had my hair in two little braids. I just finished washing my hair. That's why my hair looked wet and like kind of like product is in there. So I went ahead and unbraided my hair, and I'm gonna start doing a side part. I just parted it with a comb. I didn't show it too much in detail because it took me a minute to do it. It takes me way longer than what you see to part my hair because I'm really bad at parting. So that's why for this part, I'm not even parting my hair anymore. This is the part that's gonna be left out. On each side of that side part, I'm pulling some hair out, and this is what's gonna be left out, if that makes sense. So that part that I'm twisting around, and then the part that I have in the scrunchie, those two are gonna be left out. I'm braiding the rest of my hair down. I just did 2 braids. They're flat as I can get them. You can do more braids if you want, but this was pretty okay. And then I pinned up the hair, and I don't know why I did it like this. I should have like crisscrossed them. This made it a lot harder when I was putting in the clip-ins. The end, like, you know, this looks stupid. I don't know why I did it like this, but next time I'm gonna crisscross them so it's a lot more flatter. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the clip-ins. Since I braided my hair so awkwardly, it was a little hard to put them in, but I got them in. So I used the bigger wefts, so the ones with the 5 clips. I used that one from ear to ear. I kind of work from the bigger ones to the small ones, and I'm just building it up to where I put the side part. I didn't really show me putting the clip-ins in like in detail. I mean, mainly it's about feeling around and seeing where the clip-in is going to fit on your scalp. I went ahead and finished up putting all the clip-ins in. As you can kind of see, I'm kind of adjusting some of them because they hurt my scalp. If they hurt, make sure to readjust it so that it's in a spot where it's supposed to be. So the 2 pieces of my hair that's left out, that's going to cover all of those tracks. So this is what my hair looks like when I got done installing all of the clip-ins. It's so much hair. I did actually use this hair before, so that's why it kind of looks, it's not fresh. This is not fresh out the box, fresh out the package. I went ahead and I went ahead and sectioned off my hair. I'm starting off with water, of course, and then I'm going to use some conditioner, and I'm going to finger detangle just to make sure the tangles are out of my hair before I go in with the brush. I don't want to brush and accidentally like snap and pull a clip out or clip in out, you know. But this brush, y'all, worked so well, and the hair itself was so nice. Like you can see as I'm brushing through, it was easy to brush through. The curls were nice with this hair. And then I'm going in with mousse. I was going to use a cream, but I decided to use mousse because mousse is really good with curly hair. And that's all I do for each section. Once I'm done with this section, I'm gonna go ahead and I put mousse, like extra mousse on top of it just for extra hold. But this is how it looks. I love how the curl pattern is on this hair. I love how it looks when you're done with brushing the hair. Even when it's dry, it's not that bad, but it looks so good when you have product in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this side of my hair and come back when I'm finished. Once this side is done, this is how my hair looks, or the hair. I keep saying my hair, but the hair looks. I love the length of it. I love how the curls turned out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend my hair in with the clip-ins. And I tried 2 different ways. I'm kind of gonna show the first way. I'm using mousse, I'm using gel. I'm just kind of working and trying to blend my hair in with the clip-ins because my hair in the front is a lot looser because I slicked my hair back. So automatically my hair in the front is just gonna be like kind of looser and it looks a little like stringy kind of. But here in a second, you're gonna see how I pull my hair together and get it to blend. I tried to use flexi rods and I used them the wrong way. I only used one for each side, which didn't make any sense. The only thing it did was help pull my hair back when I went ahead and did my edges. So I'm using that same gel that I showed a little bit earlier. I'm using some gel, my edge brush, and I'm just gonna do my edges like how I normally do. Now for blending my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the flexi rods and I'm using water and more mousse and more gel and I'm like really trying to blend my hair in with that brush because as you see there in the front, the flexi rods was not going to do anything. So I'm using the water spray and I'm spraying the clip-ins, I'm spraying my hair. I kind of just go back and forth. I did this way more than I'm showing here on camera, but I kept going back in with the brush, more mousse, more gel until it blended and it looked right in my eyes. This blended out so well. I went in and fixed a couple pieces with like some gel, kind of slicked it back a little bit with my edge brush to make sure there was no flyaways, and this dried so nicely, y'all. You're gonna see here in a second. And this is what the hair looks like when it's fully dry. I feel like this blended in so well with my hair. I can barely tell the difference between what's my hair and what's the curly clip-ins. But this is what it looks like. I love the length. I love the volume of the hair. This is kind of what it looks like at the bottom or like where it stops on me. And then this is what the back of it looks like as well. There was a little piece of hair back there that I like missed completely of my hair. You can kind of see it there at the top, but this is what it looks like in the back. So it's fully blended. It looks really nice. It actually didn't take that long to dry either. So I'll put all the hair information down below in the description box. So if you want the same clip-in set, you can get the same one, or if you want to shop for a different one, you can. All the information will be down below in the description box. Thank you again to CurlsQueen for sending these clip-ins. Let me know if you try these clip-ins and how they work out for you. And I hope you guys liked the video and everything I showed today. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more content and more videos for me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!